Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Class G550 4MATIC. This is a G-Wagon here in a silver finish. Got a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's go ahead and come around to the back. See all the signature features of a G-Wagon. Got our G550 badging, the spare tire with the Mercedes emblem. Take a look at our trunk here. Lots of storage space back here. And let's take a look at our rear seats. Leather seats throughout. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. We have heated seats throughout the vehicle and memory seats for both driver and passenger side. Door controls. Driver's seat. Further customization of your seat right here. Here's how you can adjust the side bolsters and the length of the seat itself as well. Here's our steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 52,619. With a turnkey ignition. Beautiful V8 engine, sounds great every time you start it up. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. And I've got various gear ratios here, in case you're hauling anything, as well as all your buttons to switch between radio and whatnot. You've got your heated and ventilated seat controls. You've got climate controls below that. And our shifter here as well. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or you'd like to schedule a test drive of this 2016 G-Wagon, G550 Mercedes-Benz, or any other vehicles on our showroom floor, just see our website. You can find a lot of photos. You can find 360-degree interior tours of each vehicle, as well as scheduling test drives. Just go on our website, feldmannimports.com.